Just touched down in Atlanta town. I'll put the money in my hand right now. We took a trip to Atlanta to visit Eric's niece because she just moved down here last year, and we also got to see my great aunt while we were here. Fresh off a 6 a.m. flight, y'all know I am not a morning person at all. I'm a night person, so I was exhausted. She let us borrow her car, so we went to IKEA for lunch before we could check into our hotel. It's a good place to kill a little bit of time and relax.
We're at IKEA. We're in Atlanta, Georgia.
I should have kept my coat. I'm cold. So these are their plant dogs. It was our first time actually trying them. They were pretty bland. It would have been really good with barbecue sauce though. Always gotta get my fries, plant-based meatballs with the lingonberry jam. I gotta figure out how to use this freaking gimbal. I've come to reap your soul.
That's the devil's meatball.
This was my favorite setup in the whole store. It was definitely giving Dracula bachelor pad, I feel like, but in a really nice way, you know? Like, I would love this kitchen and this living room, that fireplace. Right in this living room, we called to see if our hotel room was ready early because your girl was fading fast, okay? And thank goodness it was. We were able to check in to True by Hilton, and we had a great stay. I gotta say, the scented lemon hand soap and hand lotion in the bathroom was one of the best touches ever because you don't know how many times I've checked into a hotel and I end up having to buy soap and just keep it with me at the hotel because I'm tired of asking for more tiny little bars. Because clearly other people are either not washing their hands as often or they're not staying as long. I proceeded to knock out after this and not wake up until it was time for Eric to go pick Chrissy up from work. He came back with mini impossible tacos from Jinya and also a bowl from Cava, which my mom is going to be jealous of. I don't know if I would order them again because it was $8, like low-key expensive for 2 tacos that are the size of my index finger. But they were really good though. I finished up the night watching Had I Not Seen the Sun, my favorite C drama right now. It's so good. They're interviewing a serial killer, but no one's ever been able to talk to him before about his crimes, and something about them just seems off. It's on Netflix if you want to watch it. Highly recommend. Day 2, we went to go visit my auntie. Well, technically she's my great aunt. She's 82 and she has spent her whole life collecting all this art, so I thought you guys should see it. I didn't get a chance to see her the last time I was visiting Atlanta, so this time I was really excited that both me and Eric got a chance to go visit her. She's my grandmother's sister, and even though my grandmother has passed away now, it's really nice to still have her siblings around to be able to talk to and just like interact with. Plus, I love this side of my family. They're so fun.
That's what you need to get in the churches and learn, baby. Yeah. Especially if you live up north.
I feel like I need to learn how to drive in the regular first. No, I never learned.
Shut up.
Yeah, I just never learned.
You have to learn how to drive.
I'm working on it.
How old are you?
31.
I was 29 when I learned how to drive.
For lunch, we went to Plant-Based Pizzeria. If you've ever been to Atlanta, honestly, you probably know about the customer service. I'm not even going to talk about that. But the price, baby, this was $40 for one medium pizza. Please. Chicago is expensive, but it ain't nearly this expensive. This is the Georgia Peach Pizza. It comes with peaches, Beyond sausage. It comes with spicy sausage, but we switched it for mild, and jalapenos. We took those off.
Still has a little bit of a kick.
This is shrimp Alfredo pizza. It's got shrimp Alfredo sauce, mushrooms, spinach, Parmesan, mozzarella. We added the mozzarella.
The shrimp flavor.
It's flavored?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?
Like it gives a shrimpy kind of a taste.
Oh.
Texture is obviously shrimpy.
Yeah. This crust is just a little bit too thin for me.
The Georgia peach. 8 out of 10. Shrimp Alfredo. A 7.
For me, I would say the peach is probably like a 7.5 out of 10, maybe a 7, because I don't really like the crust on this pizza. The shrimp Alfredo, I'll probably give it a 6. The flavors taste good together, but the pizza as a whole just tastes too dry to me. I'm all up in the Publix. Publix. We're on a mission to get tacos. This is what Publix looks like. I should be wearing my microphone, but I didn't pack it. We don't have Publix in Chicago, so I'm always interested to go to different grocery stores in other states and countries and see what they have there. Especially really niche vegan items. I love looking for those. Tacos were actually a really great option for us to all share at game night. Authentic recipe mild is on sale. We can all share that. Oh look, wow, we don't have none of these. Finally done, it was time for us to head to Justin and Christina's. We played Cards Against Humanity Out of Line, which is a new version, and I loved it. It was so fun. Very out of pocket, but fun.
Wake me up. Take me through there. Take me through there. Where we going, twin? Why you sleepy, twin? Take me through there. Take me through there. Why you sleepy then?
Here's what I did with my hair. I unbraided it, so hopefully it'll look good today. I went with a sweatshirt that I got from Primark in Spain, some cargo jeans, and my Hokas. We got coffee and matcha from Enid, located inside Comunidad, before we went to go get lunch because it was going to be a long day, so I needed my matcha latte. For lunch, we went to go eat at Mellow Mushroom. Eric and I got a plant-based pizza made with cheese from Follow Your Heart. It also had tempeh and caramelized onions on it. The pizza was actually pretty good, but my only thing is that I don't think it was cooked long enough. The cheese was very gooey, and I've had the cheese before, so I think that if they cooked it just a little bit longer, the cheese would have been a little bit more solid, and that would have been more enjoyable. After lunch, we actually headed out for a nature walk, and it was so much fun. I don't know what it's called, but it's actually right next to the Chattahoochee Nature Center, so you can figure that out. It's literally across the street. Oh! The jerk?
Y'all know just who I am. I'm giving back like damn. Got a big tax like Sam. Every time I throw it back, he like damn. Slow it down, get crazy in the club.
You got to feel it up. You got to feel it
Get
up.
crazy in the club. Get crazy in the club. Just do it, do it, do it.
After we left the trail, we headed over to Junior Ramen Bar for dinner, and I was so excited because I love Junior and we don't have it in Chicago. They have so many vegan and vegetarian options. This is the Impossible Bun made with guacamole, cucumber, and vegan mayo. It's so good. It's my favorite thing on the menu. There's lore behind this. Like, I make TikToks about this. Eric got tempura Brussels sprout.
It needs a sauce though.
I love these buns. I be trying to make them at home. I got the spicy creamy V ramen with no chili oil, so it's not spicy, and Eric got the flying V harvest.
This is a perfect meal for today. You just got sauce all on that camera.
That's okay. I'm gonna clean it out.
The food was good as usual, 10 out of 10, no notes. This is actually the exact same order I got the last time I was in Atlanta. My only time trying something else was when I tried the tacos. We headed off to Andretti Indoor Karting and Games, and it was so much fun. I haven't been on go-karts really in a while, but this is the biggest go-kart track I've ever been on, and it was crazy fun. We also did VR and got to play some arcade games. If you're thinking about going, I highly recommend doing a Groupon because they had some really good deals on there.
You already swiping card, playing game?
These was left over.
Oh.
This experience definitely convinced me I want to get the Insta360 GO S as my next camera because the POV would have been insane from that go-kart. I'm trying to tell y'all.
You about to die! All right, here we go.
I lost. On our final morning before our flight, we went to VHOP, Vegan House of Pancakes. I've been seeing this place all over Instagram, and luckily they were only 15 minutes from the airport.
Baby, why is the food in Atlanta so high?
Hi.
I don't understand. We just spent $50
Yes.
on 2 breakfast meals.
Good y'all.
But that is crazy. Because imagine this is like your breakfast.
Yeah, $50 on breakfast is crazy. You could have went to grocery
2
store.
people?
That's dinner prices.
Right, that's going out to dinner.
You could have went to the grocery store.
Yes. We got our food. This food better be good. It's so expensive. I am so ready to eat up some pancakes.
These are the world's fattest pancakes. The world's fattest pancakes.
It's hard out here being vegan and allergic to cashews, but I did check and none of their products contain cashews. I was so excited.
Let's see the potatoes.
The potatoes are good. And the pancakes. Pancakes are delicious. The pictures was a good idea.
Here we are back at the airport. About to head Y'all, this was actually so stressful. Eric almost did not get on this flight. He flies companion pass, so he flies standby and he can't get on the plane until everybody's already on the plane. And let me tell you, the standby line was so long that we thought that he was not going to get on. He was very literally the last person to get on, and it was other people waiting behind him. So those people, maybe they had to catch another flight. All in all, it was a really nice trip. Thanks for coming to Atlanta with me, y'all. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.